Hey folks, welcome back to the channel for SUVs that make every drive feel like a vacation. Today, we're unpacking the 2025 Citroën C5 Aircross, this evolved French crossover that's amped up space, comfort, and green power on the new STLA Medium platform. Let's start outside, where it flexes bold, grown-up style. Measuring 4,652 mm long, 1,936 mm wide, and around 1,690 mm tall, it cuts a sleek, athletic profile that's urban-friendly yet roomy for families. Signature slim LED headlights dominate the front, with adaptive matrix versions on higher trims auto-adjusting beams for fog or night drives. The rear's got those flowing light wings LED taillights for a premium glow, paired with 18-inch carbon alloy wheels on hybrids or 19-inch options on electrics. Eco-materials shine, recycled plastics and metals throughout, no leather, built in France for that sustainable edge. Tinted rear glass and subtle accents keep it classy without overkill. Inside, it's a Citroen haven, living room vibes with a high soundbar-style dash and plush advanced comfort seats using high-density foam for ultimate hug. Entry U trim rocks 6-way manual seats in urban gray, plus adds 8-way power, reclining rears, and 8-color ambient lighting in metropolitan blue, while Max goes full luxe with heated/ventilated/massaging fronts, hype blue accents, and an extended head-up display. The star? A seamless 13-inch portrait touchscreen waterfalling into the console for wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and ChatGPT voice control, plus a 10-inch digital cluster. Dual-zone AC hits the back, clean cabin purifies air, and space abounds, 5 comfy seats, 565-liter boot sliding to 1,630 liters with 40/20/40 folds and underfloor storage. Performance delivers effortless zen. The mild hybrid pairs a 1.2-liter petrol with electric for 145 horsepower, 0 to 62 miles per hour in 11.2 seconds, and 43 miles per gallon over 590 miles, half your city runs on battery. PHEV ups to a 1.6-liter with 123 horsepower motor for 195 total HP, 8.3-second sprint, 53-mile EV range, and 87 miles per gallon combined at low CO2. Electrics? 210 horsepower comfort range hits 322 WLTP miles on 73 kilowatt-hours, or long ranges 422 on 97 kilowatt-hours, fast charge in under 30 minutes. Hydraulic suspension smooths every bump, modes tweak EcoSport, and Safety Sense packs adaptive cruise, lane keep, and 360 cameras. Bottom line, from £30,000, it's comfort redefined. Hybrid or EV? Drop your take, like, subscribe, see ya next ride.